Hello and welcome back to my series of videos about old calculators. In my previous video I wanted to show you this device here, which is Summit calculator. So from the late 70s, you can tell by the red display here, LED, and very compact, very small in fact. But you know what, I found something else more interesting to show you. So here it is. What do I have here? So it's an HP calculator and the name is XPANDER. And I'm pretty sure that most of you have never seen that, because this one was never really sold to the public. It just stayed as a prototype. And what they did was in the year 2000, HP was trying to create a new graphic type calculator, and you can tell by the nice colors here, like blue, fluo, you know, it's from the 2000. And what they tried to do was to make a calculator that looks like more a PDA, a personal assistant. So they name it Expander because the idea was that you could expand the content of the calculator with more program, more stuff like that. So when you look at that, I mean, this is from 2000, and as I said, this was a prototype, and they gave that to the teachers. They gave a few of those to the teachers. I don't know, maybe 1,000 of them, something like that. And they say, can you evaluate what you think about that? In the end, it looks like the project was not a viable commercially solution, and HP thought that they could not make any money from that. But at that time, it was really a nice product. So when you look at that, you can see that you have a small keyboard here and a very big screen. And if you look on the side here, there is a stylus. So again, very much PDA, and because you have a stylus, then you know that this will be a touch screen. A couple of batteries here and a few expansion ports. So here you have the power, the jack for the power, and here you have a jack for a serial connection. So again, this is the year 2000. So when you put this jack here in the calculator, on the other side you have something like this, RS-232. So if you're looking at that now, then you're just wondering, what is this? What is this type of connector? Because none of the laptops now have this one here. They most have USB, but this was the previous type of serial connection, RS-232. So another port here for an expansion in the middle, and here SD card, I mean a memory card that you could plug in here. I'll try to turn it on, but I don't know how much you're going to see here on the calculator. But this is mostly, I'll take the camera in my hand to show that you had the touch screen, and you could use that as lessons, or you can write equations here and have the graphic of the equation. So that was really an advanced calculator. When you go to the home menu and you look at the device, if I look at the, I don't know how much you can see on the screen here, but about the expander, you can see that you have 8 megabytes of RAM on this one. 8 megabytes at that time. That was a lot. So half of it was used for storage, and half of it was used for actual RAM to run the device. So let me take the camera and see if I can show you a few functions here. Okay, hopefully it's going to work. So from the main menu here, you can see that you have a choice, and you can use the expander option. You can use what they call e-lessons, and you can also have your own work that you can save on the machine. And let's look at one of these lessons here. I have only 2 on this device here, but you can download more from the web. you see, it's just touchscreen. You click on that and then you load the lesson and just follow the steps. And some of them are very nice because you can start, you can use graphics and draw some graphic on the screen. See, drawing a graph here. And then choose a plot position between 0 and 5. So I just draw something on the screen. There you go. And then you can see on the bottom here we have some values. These are the value of X and Y, and the expander will be able to approximate that and give you an equation for that. So again, this is the expander, prototype device, not sold. I was kind of lucky to get one, but still working, you know, from the year 2000. So that's right now it's a 15 years old device, which is not really old for my collection, but it starts to be quite something. So the expander, and thank you for watching, and next time we'll talk about something else as usual. Thanks again. Bye.